"Let me unveil to you the secrets of the law of identity," my grandfather said, his voice rich with depth. "In the tapestry of life, every individual carries a unique thread, woven with purpose and intention, representing the essence of their identity." Intrigued, I leaned in closer, captivated by the timeless tales my grandfather was about to weave. He began his storytelling, drawing from ancient folklore and profound personal experiences, illuminating the essence of the law of identity. He spoke of a young weaver, a gifted artist whose nimble fingers wove intricate patterns into vibrant tapestries. Her creations were an extension of her identity, a reflection of her soul's yearning to express beauty and harmony. Each thread she carefully selected, each color she blended, carried a part of her essence, allowing her art to resonate deeply with those who beheld it. As my grandfather continued, he shared a tale from ancient times of a warrior who sought to discover his true identity. Through a series of trials and tribulations, he navigated treacherous terrains and faced formidable foes. It was in those moments of adversity that he found the courage to confront his deepest fears, embracing his inner strength and resilience. His identity, forged through the crucible of challenge, became an inspiration to his people, a beacon of hope in times of turmoil. In another tale, my grandfather spoke of a wise elder who dedicated her life to the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. She delved into ancient texts, seeking the truths of the universe. Her identity, shaped by her insatiable thirst for knowledge, became a guiding light for others, illuminating the path to enlightenment. With each story, my grandfather illuminated the power of the law of identity, that our true selves emerge when we align with our passions, values, and unique strengths. He emphasized that the journey of self-discovery is a lifelong endeavor, shaped by experiences, introspection, and a willingness to embrace our ever-evolving identities. Remember, your identity is a tapestry woven with the threads of your true essence. Embrace your passions, honor your values, and let your actions be in harmony with your authentic self. Just as the weaver, the warrior, and the wise elder discovered their identities through their respective journeys, you too shall embark on a path of self-discovery, contributing your unique thread to the vibrant tapestry of life. So, as you traverse your own journey through life, may you be inspired by the tales of my wise grandfather. Embrace the law of identity, knowing that your true self awaits to be discovered and expressed. Seek out your passions, explore your values, and let your actions reflect the unique threads that form the tapestry of your identity. Allow the wisdom of ancient tales to guide you as you navigate the trials and triumphs of self-discovery. Remember the weaver, whose artistry reflected the beauty of her soul. Let your own creations, be they paintings, music, or any form of expression, be a mirror of your true essence. Choose each thread with intention, infusing your work with the colors that resonate deeply within you. The law of identity calls upon you to weave your own narrative, to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Embrace the uniqueness that sets you apart and allow it to shine through your choices, actions, and contributions to the world. Your identity, like a thread in the tapestry of life, adds depth, beauty, and meaning to the collective human experience. As the sun bids farewell to the horizon, let the wisdom of my grandfather's tales resonate within you. Embrace the law of identity as a guiding principle, and may your journey be one of self-awareness, authenticity, and the continual unveiling of your truest self. Embrace the threads of your essence and weave a tapestry of identity that reflects the brilliance of your being, enriching the tapestry of existence with your unique contribution.